Wearbuds Pro bracelet and app instructions. Let's open the package. Take out the bracelet. Take out the headphones. Check out our accessories. Instructions. Inside are instructions in multiple languages. A pair of small earbuds are included. We tried to change to smaller sized plugs. Comes with a charging cable for the bracelet. We connect the power and charge the bracelet. After unplugging the charging cable, the bracelet turns on automatically. Here is the home page of the bracelet. Swipe right to see the current step count. Measuring heart rate. The measurement starts automatically when you enter. The measurement results are now available. View current calorie burn. Number of floors. Number of kilometers. Exercise mode. Click to select the type of exercise. There are 3 types of exercise: walking, running and cycling. Click to start walking. Countdown will start collecting data. Swipe right to pause or end the exercise. After finishing, you can view the details of the exercise. Music control. You can control the phone's music playback, pause, and cut the song. Timer. Default is 1, 5 and 10 minutes, can be changed in the app. Bracelet settings. Bluetooth connection status. Headset connection. Click to pair your headset. Power level check. There is a power level for the bracelet and the headset. Brightness adjustment. Adjustable in 4 levels. Bracelet information. Restart the bracelet. To reset the bracelet, click OK and the bracelet will be reset, and the data and binding information will be cleared. Let's download the Wearbuds app. Click on the major app shops. Search for Wearbuds and download it. After downloading, click on Install. Once installed, click on Open. The first time you open it, you will need to grant location and storage permissions. Choose the language you want to use. Read and tick the terms and conditions and continue to click on the next step. You will be taken to our welcome page. Click to register a new account. Fill in our email password and other information. Click on Get Captcha and enter the captcha. Enter the same password twice. Click on the next step. Add our personal details. The next step takes you to our main page, the information page, where you can see our latest public information. The Himalaya page, where you can listen to a large amount of Himalaya content directly. My Go Music, where you can listen to music and set your ringtone. Personal page, where you can set up various settings and personal information about the app. Multiple accounts can be tied together, so that you can log into Wearbuds with one click directly from that account. Help page with instructions on how to use both the band and the app. App information, view the current version and check for updates. Feedback page, where you can contact us with any questions you may have about using the device. Let's add a device. Select Wearbuds Pro. Follow the prompts and turn on the bracelet. Click Next to start the search. Click on My Device in the results and click Connect. Click OK on the bracelet to agree to the binding. Once the binding is successful, you can start connecting the headset. Follow the instructions and remove the headset. Tick the I understand checkbox and click Go to connect. In the Bluetooth settings screen, connect to Wearbuds_Buds_L or Wearbuds_Buds_R. After successful connection, wait a moment and you will be prompted to connect the other side of the headset. The headset is successfully connected. The correct way to wear the headset is with the headphones protruding upwards. Click, double-click and long press to control the music. When storing, remove the headphones and place them inside the bracelet. Return to the app, click on Bluetooth connected and return to the home page. Agree to whitelist requests from the app to ensure the stability of the app's connection. Turn on message notifications. Agree to notification access for this feature to work properly. Save. Here are some actions to maintain the app as background operation. Ensure notification alerts are available when the app is in the background. We put the bracelet on our hand. The app synchronizes the number of steps on the bracelet in real time. Measure heart rate and view history on the app. Sleep data. After wearing the bracelet for one night, here you can see how you slept that night. Step history. You can view the step history of the day. Workout page. You can synchronize your workout with your bracelet and collect workout data. Let's exercise for a while. End exercise. After the workout is over, the details of the workout pop up. Click to share on social apps. View my workout history and details. You can change the settings of the bracelet. Headset battery check and charging threshold. Switch dials. There are various preset dials to choose from. Set exercise goals and be alerted when you reach them. Automatic heart rate detection and high heart rate alert. Find the bracelet. The bracelet will vibrate when you click on it. Sleep interval. The bracelet will record the sleeping status during the sleeping time. Caller alert function. Due to system limitation, you need to get some permission to do so. Message alert. You can view new messages on the bracelet after getting the notification permission. Sedentary reminder. You can be reminded to get up and move around every now and then. Water reminder, which will remind you to drink water at regular intervals. Raise wrist to light up the screen. When it is on, it will automatically light up the screen to show the time. Countdown timer. You can change the default 3 presets. Distance unit setting, synchronization of app and bracelet settings. Modify or synchronize the time of the bracelet. Firmware upgrade. There is a new version will prompt to upgrade. In this page you can upgrade the bracelet. Unbind the bracelet. The bracelet will be reset after confirmation. At the bottom of the home page you can view your workout for that day.